Facing an error when trying to follow people on TikTok on your iPhone? This can happen due to network problems or app glitches, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue and get back to following accounts. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok cache. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. Solution 2. Offload TikTok app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok, then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Now tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then Solution 4. Submit a report. Open up the Safari browser. Then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, whenever I follow someone on TikTok, I can't follow them. Please help me to solve this problem. Then attach a screenshot of your problem, and then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. And that's all for fixing the TikTok follow issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Got any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.